everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at this Kwikset lock. Kwikset's not really known for their quality, but they make fun little challenge locks or practice locks when you toughen them up. There's the bitting on the key. It does work, and it works well. Let's go with top of the keyway actually. And I think I'm going to start out with this hook here. It's one of my favorite modified hooks. It started out as a Sparrow's postal hook, and I shortened it down and put a little notch right in the top of it, just like a Sparrow's reach would have, but it's a little bit shorter. And it makes it a little bit easier to use. Got to click out of pin 5. Got to click out of 4 and a slight false set. 3 is solid, no feedback. Got to click out of 2. Got a slight click out of 1. So let's go back to the back. Nothing out of 5. 4's up. Had a little click out of 3. And I think I just overset 5. So let's just cock it back and go again. I'm barely a minute and a half into this. Okay, got 5 and 4. Well, let's come back to the front. Try a little bit different order. Got a little click out of 1, a little bit more false set. No feedback off of 2. No feedback off of 3. No feedback off of 4. No feedback off of 5. Let's come back up to the front. No feedback off of 1. Little bit of feedback off of 2. Hardly measurable. A little bit more off of 2 maybe. And now I'm not feeling anything. A little bit off of 4. I lost my false set. There we go. I got my false set back. I was off of 3. I got a little bit coming off of 2 here. No, maybe not. 2 solid. I'm just feeling around again. Maybe pin 3 here. No feedback off of 3 at all. A little click off of 2. Okay, a little bit of feedback off of 4. Got my false set going still. me just release a little bit of tension. Okay, I got 2 to go up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to do that again. Okay, there we go. We have an open on pin 2, and the trick on it was I just had to go with a little bit of negative tension. It was getting bound up. Okay, let's go ahead and zoom in. And my screwdriver. Let's go ahead and lock this up since I've got the key. Come on. There we go. I kind of wished I had some clip removers, but it got to do with what you're given, I suppose. That ticks a little bit turning that far over, so it's a little tight in there. What am I hanging up on? Okay, let's try this direction. Something's getting caught up in there. Just about have it out. I was getting caught on the pin 2 there. That was pin 1 from the top. You go ahead and take the spring out. Push pin 2 back down. There we go. Alright, now we can get down to business. You can see all the pins were working, and I had the magnets going. Now let's go ahead and take them out. We know we have magnets here, so let's go. That's always fun. Alright, so 1 is a serrated, nice sharp pin. Serrated in 2. That was the ball bearing out of 3. That was a brass ball bearing. And a serrated in 3. If I can get a hold of it. It's a nice spool out of pin 2. Or chamber 2. Maybe I should stop fooling with these magnets. There's the magnet out of 3. I'll wind up magnetizing my tweezers here. Nice serrated out of 4 and a magnet in 5. So the magnets do make a little bit of a difference, and I've noticed that with my Sparrows picks, they are a little bit more magnetic. You can see the magnets really like to stick to them. And my Southward picks, if I can get one out here, hardly magnetic at all. I mean, not nearly what the Sparrows picks are. Anyway, guys, that's the Kwikset with magnets. It's always fun to play with magnets. Anyway, guys, oh, wait a minute. I forgot to look at the plug here. There's some interesting. I've got some counter milling in chambers 1 and 2. That explains why I had to back off with the tension wrench to get that one picked. Let's go ahead and look up top too, since I forgot to look at the plug. No, I don't think there's any modifications up here up top. Nope, nothing. Alright guys, stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Never pick any locks that you don't own or have permission to pick. And as always, please like and subscribe.